told you you so extra, but I know I'm the same, yeah. Love me in spite of my trauma. Give me what I need instead of the drama. Cause when it pop off, it's like, oh my. All good all day, but the night we be going so hard on the flip side. So tell me what we on a date.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Brittany. So in today's video, I have another human hair video for you guys. So it's kind of a review, but I'm really just introducing my latest collaboration with MyFirstWig to you guys. So if you don't know, I collaborated with MyFirstWig probably 4 or 5 months ago to create my signature headband wig with them in the style Blossom, which was inspired by one of my favorite synthetic wigs, which was Pop Blossom from Model Model. And that was just really dope because so March 30th is gonna make 8 years that I've been doing wig reviews, and they were the first company to collaborate with me to create my own wig, and I'm forever like grateful to MyFirstWig for doing that, because not all companies do that, and I'm really, you know, appreciative of that. So this is the second wig that we're bringing you guys, and this is Hazel, y'all. So say hey to Hazel. This is her. She is so beautiful. The backstory behind Hazel, if you've been watching my channel probably the last like year, for sure a year, one of my favorite synthetic wigs of 2020 was Outray's Aaliyah, which was from their Melted hairline series. I still have that. I was in love with how the lace melted and the color and everything, but it's still synthetic. So I had to cut it like a few weeks later because it was tangling up so much. You can use like silicone spray and everything to get it together, but it's not going to prevent the wig from tangling, because tangling is in the nature of synthetic wigs. But I still loved it. But I was like, I really want a human hair version of that, and I did buy a custom wig last year from somebody, and I, you know, showed them the pictures of Aaliyah, and I got that wig, but it really didn't look exactly like I wanted it to look. So when I got this opportunity with MyFirstWig, MyFirstWig is on point with their lace and the way that they color their wigs. So I was like, I trust them to get this right. So this is beautiful. So the color and the style is inspired by Outray's Aaliyah, but it's human hair obviously, so it's gonna last longer. With Outray's Aaliyah, it was a silkier texture. This is Yaki. If y'all don't know, I love the Yaki texture, so I had to get it with this. So this is what we got going on. I believe this is the 12 inches, and I'm gonna be showing you 12 inches, this shorter bob length, and I'm gonna show you guys 18 inches as well, because y'all know I love longer wigs, but I wanted to see what each length looked like with this style, and it's beautiful. So this is giving very much spring. Both of them will, even though the longer one is, you know, longer, but it's a light density, so it's not going to be too hot. This is gorgeous. So it's 12 inches. I did tweeze the hairline up. I do have a standalone video on how to tweeze your hairline. You can watch that. And I'm going to insert a little bit of me applying the wig like as I'm talking right now. I used my Got to Be Glued Hot Insta Hold spray, and then I followed it up with my Got to Be Glued gel in the black bottle, and that was it. So I just glued down the front of the hairline here, and it was super easy. I mean, within a matter of minutes it was on my head. And I think this is a medium cap. If you have a larger head, I would like request a large, because even though this is comfortable, I feel like I needed a little bit more lace on the side if I wanted to wear it as a side part. I think this is really pretty, and I love the middle part, but this is a lace front wig, like a 13x6, I believe. You can wear this, you know, to the side as well. You're not set with, you know, just the middle part. So that is what we have here. I'm super excited, and just shout out to everybody who supported my Blossom video. Those who bought Blossom, I really appreciate you guys as well. I did have some people say they would like me to collaborate with synthetic wig companies to create my own wig, but here's the thing. I've been doing this 8 years, as I told you guys, and I have collaborated with a lot of synthetic wig companies to review their wigs, but no company has ever reached out to me to create my own line. So we go where we're celebrated. And MyFirstWig is celebrating me with my own line. So if those synthetic companies reach out to me to do that, then I would, but they haven't. So the price and information and everything will be in the description box for you guys. Keep in mind, MyFirstWig is a more, they are a more, so there's like affordable human hair companies, and then there's MyFirstWig, and then there's like the higher end, super expensive human hair companies. So they're gonna be a bit more expensive. But if it's not in your budget, of course you can just go with Outre Aaliyah. It's just not gonna last as long. And you won't get this beautiful Yaki texture with no luster at all. So, but it's up to you because I have that one too. So I am gonna show you guys the longer length, but I just don't want to get off camera because this is just gorgeous. It's gorgeous. This is so pretty. Like, put them turtlenecks away. We are ready for spring with this wig, y'all.
I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that way. Trying to control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead, but we could go all night.
Alright, so here is Hazel in the 18 inches. So she is a very light density. So if you're somebody who likes thicker hair, I don't know if you can request a thicker density. I'll have to ask them. But this is going to be something lightweight and everyday and really good for spring because of this color and the fact that it is so lightweight. So, and again, I'll double check and see if you can get a thicker density if you want it. The bob to me actually seemed like it was thicker, but sometimes, you know, bobs can be thicker than the longer lengths. Alright guys, so I have tried Hazel in the short length, the 12 inches, and I have it in the 18 inches, and I showed you guys the side part, the middle part, and now I'm coming to you guys with it as a flip over kind of look. I don't have any parting or anything. I threw some curls in it using my flat iron. So these are just some flat iron curls. But I will say with Yaki textures as well as like blown out textures, curls don't last as long with those. So definitely use some hairspray if you're going to do curls with this. But this actually looks really cute with curls. Because it has a lighter density, I was thinking that it wouldn't look good with curls. But I think it looks pretty good. I think it looks pretty darn good. I actually really love the bob. Probably more than the longer length. So if you want to go with the bob, it's going to be cheaper. It's a win-win. You can go with the longer length and get the inches, but if you go with the shorter length, it's going to be less expensive, and it's a beautiful look. It's like super chic in spring, summer ready. So yeah, I'll have links to where you guys can purchase it down below. Shout out to MyFirstWig for collaborating with me again to bring you guys another look. And I think it's dope that this time I'm doing two different lengths so you guys can see or get a like a ballpark, you know, estimate of how it's going to look on you. Keep in mind I'm 6 feet tall, so the 12 inches on me is going to look different on somebody who has a shorter neck, so keep that in mind. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family. We are on the road to 200K. And I would like to hit that before or by the end of the year, so help me get there. Share this video, share my channel as much as possible, and I would like to shout out my premiere squad for rocking with me. It's something I really enjoy doing, the premieres. I don't do them all the time, but I try to do them as frequently as I possibly can. If you want to be a part of Premiere Squad, all you have to do is subscribe and turn on your notifications. And usually YouTube will inform you when I do premiere. Sometimes it's like 5 minutes late. If you want to be like on time, follow me on Instagram at iFancyCupcakes. I usually promote my videos a couple hours in advance before premieres and stuff. So, and my schedule is Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Sundays. Some weeks I'll do more videos than that, and some weeks I'll do less videos than that. So just, you know, subscribe and turn on your notifications, and then you'll be, you know, up to date on everything. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.
Calls go to voicemail. I block you so I don't raise hell. should've talked through it in detail. Our separate ways ain't gon' end well, no. But when we get back, it's like, oh my. All bad all day, but the night time get that good till we act right. So tell me when we on a date, babe, I could keep that same in.